People don't realize when they walk outside, there's basically a grocery store surrounding them. That's such a beautiful thing about nature. A lot of my job is to walk around in the woods and say, oh, what is that in the ground? Pick it up and eat it. You know, I have this sort of curious nature where I never am satisfied with something. If we're cooking something, how can we do it better? How can we make it more interesting? We have to eat as human beings, so why not make it the most memorable experience you can? My name is James Gopp. I'm a culinary artist, forager, and founder of Heirloom Fire. More often than not, we're working with clients executing their vision. So I'm incredibly flattered that Coors Light want to let us create a dinner that we'll be doing later this week, where we are building a menu designed around native species, what's growing in that moment. The Berkshires have a little bit of reputation for a reason. We're a little bit more north, so the growing seasons are so short. So it's really about embracing that moment in time, viewing it as when the iron's hot, you have to strike.
The thing about James is he never stops.
Chris, look at this, man. All the
Wild grapevine.
Should use this like we've been talking about. He even has this.
He holds himself at such a high standard, and when he gets to where his dream is, his own standard goes up. That's very inspiring in a way, because it pushes you to just continue to be better. Just continue to be better and continue to be better.
My largest form of inspiration is going into woods. It makes me feel like this warmth in my chest and the hair stand up in the back of my neck, and I want to be able to share that with people. That's my artistic expression, to be able to replicate that moment in time. It's usually about a 17-hour day on site. It's a big experience where you have to love it, and thankfully I have that in a team. So we're on site now. I'm hoping today to get a hold of some stuff we weren't able to get due to the massive rain last night. Wow. This is the first hen of the woods I've ever found. We'll break off all the little sort of petals here and just saute them in a lot of butter and a lot of salt, and just fold them into the vegetables.
So I was out in the woods, came across these little red berries that taste remarkably like black pepper.
Put it in the dish tonight. Hello everyone. Thank you very much for coming. My goal is to really forever change your lives today. I want to have everybody take this moment where they're just being here, present, and realizing that these aren't just weeds and grasses, but looking around and thinking of, wow, that's actually like an edible grocery store out there. I love the theater of what we do. That's something that I want to be able to give people, the theater, the entertainment, exposing them to something they've never seen. Really having a moment in life that people are going to walk away from, and it'll be a memory that's burned inside of them forever. As you see, obviously there's ice cream involved here, but this is birchwood ice cream. It's made by infusing slices of birch wood in cream, milk, and sugar overnight. And if you look above you, we've actually foraged pine bark and then put it into whole wheat flour. So these are little beignets. Did you enjoy everything? Yeah? Great. Great. Thank you again for making time. Sincerely, it really means everything to us that you come and be a part of this experience. Just want to open your eyes back to nature, because there's so much that we've forgotten. So thank you again for all coming, and I just want to take a moment to thank Coors Light for giving us the opportunity to tell our story. Cheers.